from the Potari Open Day activity, I had went to the library to borrow a book, which is this book named Advanced Technology for Smart Buildings by James Sinopoli. So most people think a smart building is just a normal building with some smart gadgets. Like you can think of you are building the walls, you paint them, and also you just stick on Wi-Fi routers and also security cameras. And we usually consider that as the smart building. But in this book, Advanced Technology for Smart Buildings, James argues that this add-on approach is the reason so many projects fail. He states that when technology is an afterthought, it becomes disruptive and expensive. So I'm reading this book because it introduced the concept that changes how we build and also treating technology not just an accessory but as a utility. We all know the first three utilities: water, gas, and electricity. We design them inside the wall before the concrete is poured. But James argues that we must do the same for the technology. James described integrated infrastructure. Instead of having separate wires for CCTV, separate wires for AC control, and separate wires for internet, and a true smart building uses a unified structure cabling system. He explains that we should use a standard fiber optic or copper cable for every system in the building. This creates a single physical pathway, which is known as a nervous system, rather than a band of property wires. You may think, why does this matter? There are two reasons for that. First, cost, and second is data. First of all, cost. The book explains that convergent cabling reduces the number of contractors and minimizes the material waste. You stop paying different people to run parallel cables in the same room. Secondly, it breaks down silos. James warns that without integration, we end up with silos of data, where systems don't talk to each other. By integrating the infrastructure, we can use software to find faults and save money. In fact, it cites a study showing that this type of automated continuous commissioning can reduce energy consumption by 30%. So, is this book worth reading? If you are looking for the latest AI trend, no, because it is from 2016. But if you want to understand the philosophy of modern construction or smart building, yes, it taught me that a building isn't smart because of what is in it, but it is smart because of how it is connected. So I think this book is very good to me, and I very recommended it to every one of you. So if you get interested to this book, you can go to Petari to borrow this book and also to read it. So that's all from me. Thank you.